Welcome to another Tech into USD tutorial video. Today we are going to be discussing how to create a quiz in Google Forms. So once you have your assessment or quiz created in Google Forms, this is an example one that I have here. What you're going to do is you're going to head up to your settings gear and you're going to come over here to where it says quizzes, and you're going to say make this a quiz. So by default it's turned off, but you're going to go ahead and turn that on. And then you have some options. You have the option to immediately release the grades to the students once they've submitted the form, or you can do it later and you manually release the scores to the students. And then you have the option of letting them see their missed questions, which would be identifying which questions were answered incorrectly. They can see the correct answer, which is it shows them the correct answer for each question after grades are released. And then you have the option of showing them the point value. So it shows total points and points received for each question. So as a teacher, you can choose which one of these you want to allow or which ones you do not. And then once that is finished, you can go ahead and click save. So now you can see I have my quiz here is worth 2 points. And so I have my first question here. So now when I click on my question, you will now see answer key down here. So when I go into answer key, I can check which one is the correct answer. If I wanted multiple to be the right answer, I could do that as well. And then I can provide feedback. So if they choose an incorrect answer, I can set this to where it tells them what the correct answer was. And then I can go back to editing my question. I can go in here, select my other question, click on answer key, and I can select the correct answers, add feedback if I wish. So now, once I have that all set, what I can do is I can go into my Google Classroom. I can create some classwork, and I can create an assignment, and we're going to call this a assessment. And then what I can do is I can pull that from my drive, and now I have my grade importing. So whatever grades they get on my assessment, they will then get that grade and it'll import it right here into Google Classroom for them. So since my assessment is worth 2 points, I'm going to go ahead and make this worth 2 points as well, so they match. And then I can just go ahead and I can assign it. And once the students take it, their grade on the form will be posted into Google Classroom for them. Just like with these previous ones, if I wanted to create a topic that had quizzes or assessments, I could do that as well. So this was just a quick video on how to create a quiz using Google Forms.